You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation from Italian. How to pronounce Giannini. Alright, let's break it down. If you want to learn more Italian, stay tuned, I've got more videos. Gia. So replace the GI with a J. It's not Gia, it's Gia. Giannini. Alright, because you have a double N, you have to stress on that part the first N sound. Giannini, alright? That's your Italian pronunciation right here. Giannini. Not Giannini, Giannini. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.